You know that quiet moment when you've just groomed your pet, but then hair seems to appear everywhere the moment you look away? It's a subtle frustration, and one many pet owners live with daily. Today, we're exploring a solution that promises to address that with elegance and efficiency. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, where we review products thoughtfully and thoroughly so you can make informed decisions. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Airrobo Dog Grooming Vacuum Kit, a 5-in-1 grooming solution designed for small to large pets, combining professional grooming with hair containment. If you've ever struggled with shedding, hair-covered furniture, or messy grooming sessions, this tool might be particularly relevant for you. The purchase link is conveniently placed in the description and pinned comment for easy access. The Airrobo Grooming Vacuum Kit is designed to merge pet grooming and hair control into one device. It features a 12,000 pascal suction vacuum, adjustable power levels, multiple guide combs, and a large capacity dust cup, all aimed at giving your pet a comfortable experience while keeping your home tidy. Whether you're a long-haired dog owner, a cat parent, or someone who grooms regularly at home, this kit addresses a common pain point: shedding hair during grooming. Reason number 1. Powerful 12,000 pascal suction for clean grooming. The most immediate benefit of this kit is its vacuum capability. With up to 12,000 pascals of suction, it captures approximately 99% of hair as you groom, preventing it from scattering across floors, carpets, or furniture. This level of suction ensures that grooming sessions are cleaner, more efficient, and less stressful for both pet and owner. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, it transforms what is typically a messy chore into a controlled, streamlined process. Reason number 2. Low noise operation for sensitive pets. Many pets resist grooming due to the loud noise of traditional clippers or vacuums. Airrobo addresses this with a quiet design, keeping noise levels below 50 dB on the lowest setting. For perspective, that's quieter than many household vacuums, making it less intimidating for pets. You can adjust the suction across 3 levels to suit your pet's size and comfort, creating a calm and reassuring grooming environment. Reason number 3. Versatile guide combs for every hair type. The kit includes 6 guide combs, ranging from 3 mm to 24 mm, accommodating pets with different hair lengths and styles. Whether you're trimming short-haired dogs or sculpting a long-haired breed, the comb system provides precision and consistency. This versatility is particularly useful for achieving professional quality results at home without the need for repeated salon visits. Reason number 4. Large capacity dust cup. Grooming a large dog or multiple pets can become disruptive if you need to stop frequently to empty hair collection. Airrobo's 2L dust cup solves this problem, allowing extended grooming sessions without interruption. Its quick-release snap makes emptying clean, simple, and contact-free, so you never touch loose hair. This thoughtful design increases convenience and reduces cleanup stress after each session. Reason number 5. Professional grooming at home. With a 5-in-1 grooming kit, you have everything needed for trimming, detangling, and vacuuming in one device. This feature saves time, money, and effort, eliminating the need for multiple tools. From long-haired cats to short-haired dogs, this device can adapt to your pet's needs. The combination of vacuum, guide combs, and variable suction ensures that your pet receives a professional grooming experience without leaving your home. Reason number 6. Extended 4.9-foot detachable hose. One of the more thoughtful design elements is the 4.9-foot detachable hose, allowing you to maintain distance from pets who are nervous around grooming tools. The hose provides reach for hard-to-access areas while keeping the motor noise away from sensitive pets. Its detachable design also makes cleaning and storage easier, adding long-term convenience to your grooming routine. Reason number 7. Ease of use and maintenance. From assembly to daily use, this grooming kit is straightforward. Its ergonomic handle, adjustable settings, and easy-to-clean components make it approachable even for first-time home groomers. Pet owners will appreciate the combination of durable materials and thoughtful engineering, ensuring a grooming session that is efficient, comfortable, and low maintenance. Final verdict. In summary, the Airrobo Dog Grooming Vacuum Kit excels at combining efficiency, comfort, and practicality. Its strong suction, low noise, and multiple guide combs make it suitable for a wide range of pets, while the large dust cup and extended hose enhance usability for larger animals or multi-pet households. While it may not replace every specialized grooming tool, it stands out for its all-in-one convenience and home-friendly design. For pet owners seeking a cleaner, calmer, and more professional grooming experience at home, it is a standout choice. Remember, confident grooming doesn't require stress or mess. Tools like this allow you to take control, care for your pet, and maintain your home with minimal hassle.